So, every Wednesday we've been doing a thing. It's our thing on Wednesday, and it's called Rich's Weather School.
Yeah.
Easy A.
And no homework.
Nice.
There you go.
I like
And
it.
recess all day.
Today we're going to talk about lift again, but we're going to talk about it with regard to the storm that's on its way now, and the storm that was here a couple of days ago and how it produced some shower activity in the mountains. So,
All right.
So let's clear the blackboard and let's talk about what's going on with regard to this storm. Let's go to our wind profile map. This is what we use on KCAL 9 to identify centers of circulation, areas of low pressure and high pressure. There's the outline of the United States and the Hawaiian Islands here, and you can see our approaching area of low pressure right about there. We know that because the air around it is rotating in a counterclockwise manner. Let's clear that out of the way real quick and show you. Now, you hear us talking about an inside slider the last couple of days, the last two storms, including this one that's going to come overnight tonight and tomorrow as an inside slider. And what are we talking about? Well, normally storms, they propagate up here in the Gulf of Alaska, and they move in and they come slamming on into Southern California right off the Pacific, and they pick up a lot of moisture and a lot of water. So that would be a normal scenario. But with an inside slider, what happens in this case, the areas of low pressure, they form up here in the Gulf of Alaska, but then it comes in through the northern part of the continental United States and then comes down the coast into the Los Angeles area landlocked. So it loses a lot of its moisture and it comes in as a very dry storm. Now, let's go to the graphics and I'll show you what's going on tonight. There's the area of low pressure pushing into Southern California right now. And as this area of low pressure comes out of the north, landlocked, relatively dry, there's a little moisture around it. As it moves down further to the south, you can see that the flow is actually coming out of the north. There's the mountains of Ventura, Los Angeles, San Bernardino County. So all of the flow hits these mountains first. Let's get on the back side of those mountains and show you what's going on. All the flow hits these mountains. It's forcing all these parcels of air up into the atmosphere where it thins out, condenses, reaches its lifted condensation level, and it wrings out rain. So we start to see shower activity along the mountains. Now you get enough force behind that, enough momentum with that storm activity, and these could actually crest the mountains, and that's why places like Santa Clarita, northern San Fernando Valley, San Gabriel Valley, that's why they saw shower activity out of the storm 2 days ago, and that's why they may see some shower activity out of the storm tonight. So there's the center of the low, the air around that low rotating counterclockwise, picking up what little moisture is left, and then really enhancing it with some lift in the atmosphere with regard to those mountains. So that gives you a little idea of what's going on. Cloudy skies overnight tonight, slight chance of showers will continue, especially for the IE and the mountain communities. 56 tonight for the overnight low. Let's roll out the extended outlook next couple of days. We'll clear out to partly cloudy skies downtown tomorrow. Same for the beaches and the valleys. 70 downtown tomorrow, 68 at the beach, 72 for the valleys. We're going to call it mostly sunny through the weekend and beyond. However, still a chance of showers tomorrow, especially early in the IE and the mountains. 67 for the Inland Empire tomorrow. 67 for the high deserts, 45 for the mountains. Everybody starts clearing out Friday heading into the weekend. The weekend's going to be spectacular. Jeff, Elsa, class is done.